Try. Whenever you're ready. Esto es. Muy bien.
Good morning, you guys. So hi guys, welcome back to another vlog here in Puerto Rico. This is actually going to be day 2 of Puerto Rico, and we're actually all ready. We're about to head out, get some breakfast, and then we do have a couple of activities that we're going to be doing today. Unfortunately, the rain is falling on us, so it is currently raining actually here, and it's very much windy, which is why my lenses keep on fogging up. But as you can see, we're actually like 2 blocks away from the beach, which is like beautiful. But as you can see, it's currently raining right now, and it's very, very windy. I actually slept really good. Like, my bed was really soft. There was a lot of cookies, which is like a type of frog, and then lots of dogs barking, so that was like ugh. But other than that, I slept beautifully. But like I said, we are going to start heading out soon, but I did want to show you guys my quick little OOTD for today. Swimsuit is from Shein, of course. I have no idea where my pants are from. Let's see. I think my pants, my shorts are from Tarjay. And then I have one of my favorite shoes, which are my Hokas. They're actually pretty dirty, but we're actually going to be going to a national rainforest today, so we had to bring shoes. But if you guys ever want to get some nice comfortable shoes, you guys should definitely try it out. Hoka. Hoka is actually like a running brand. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen like what's this person's name, Kris Jenner, on one of her Hulu shows. She was actually wearing one of our Hokas, which is the Bondi 7s. The reason why I said our Hokas is because I actually work for the brand, so I can definitely say that these shoes are definitely worth it, especially if you guys are like in your fitness journey, if you guys are doing like lots of walking, if you guys are a runner, anything like that. You guys should definitely try out Hoka. I leave the link down below so you guys can go ahead and check out their page, so you guys can see like exactly what I'm talking about. But a lot of influencers have used Hoka as well, like Beauty Bird. She actually uses Hoka. She actually has the same Hokas that I have on right now, so I definitely recommend it a lot. But actually the rain just stopped from pouring on us, but we're actually going to be heading out shortly. And this is our little car there, the Dodge Durango. That's the one that we're currently going and driving with. But once we get to the place, once we get to the place and we start eating or something, I'll definitely show you guys what everything. In terms of my makeup, I actually have a really light makeup. I have the Makeup by Myra foundation, which is so light and luminous, which is something that I really wanted, so I actually ended up picking it up. And I'm super excited that I did. In terms of my lips, I have actually the Charlotte Tilbury liner, and then I have their lipstick that I have no idea what it is, but their combo is chef's kiss with the lip gloss. Yes, I'm going to be ending up putting my Versace glasses again for today, and then I have my little Michael Kors backpack so that I can put like some snacks and stuff in there, because right after we go to El Yunque, we are going to go to a beach called Luquillo Beach, so I'm super excited. Remember to subscribe down below and turn your post notification, that way you get notified every time that I upload a new video, so you guys can keep up with all of my Puerto Rico vlogs. But without further ado, let's get right onto this video.
bumper on top of the bumper. Never seen that one. Alright, let's sit.
Oh, I finally got my piña colada. Yeah.
Point B. Once we get to point A, we're not gonna stop there, okay? We're gonna continue all the way to point B where the water slide is. But be mindful of this, to get to the water slide, it's an extra 5-minute hike and you have to do a little bit of rock climbing, okay?
Shit.
If you're not up for that, that's okay. You can just stay in point A because we're coming back anyway to point A where we have the cliff jumps and the swing rope. Sounds good?
Yes.
All right. Okay, guys, game rules. Always stay within the group. Remember each other's faces. Help each other out. Be a team player, okay? And the most important rule of them all, please remember this one. Keep that positive mindset all the way until we come back here, okay? You got this, guys. Remember my name. My name is Miguel. You can call me Miga. All right, you ready to begin?
Yay!
All right, guys, I'll be taking pictures and videos, and I'll send them to you at night. Let's take the first one before the destruction.
20 people around.
28,513 to be precise, okay? It's the only rainforest within the U.S. territory, and it's the one with the most biodiversity, okay? So that's 2,000 which 20 of them you're only gonna find here in Puerto Rico, okay? I'm gonna show you some of them around once we're in the trail. They won't even let her go on Devil's Point. On Devil's Lake, she might not make it easy for her. I love her. Those are the best.
Oh, shit. And I have white shoes. It's slippery.
All right, guys, pay attention. Get a good look at this plant right here. Okay, you see this plant, guys? Try to avoid this plant. This is our version of the poison ivy, el rábano cimarrón. All right, guys, do not grab the leaf like this. The leaf has a liquid that I can cause you a bad rat. We call it pica pica or itchy in English. All right, guys.
That one down there?
This one right here.
Thank you.
That's when you chew on as you're walking.
So you got to
Some people say that it looks like a bamboo, but I don't think
Yeah, don't touch nothing.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
If we get to point A, and we want to go to point B, and we see the rocks, We say it's too much. Can we go back to point A?
Yes. So you're not gonna see the water slide from point A.
No, I understand.
Yes. You can decide once
But we can walk there. We don't have to commit.
Exactly.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, guys. So remember the biga. Do not touch it. They're really different from the bamboos. Okay, you're gonna see very different. So let's try to avoid the biga.
Look, let me show you. Look, that. That's what he was saying. Yeah, those are all. No, I'm not gonna touch you. Alright, you guys. So, little status for you guys. We are currently in El Yunque, obviously, from the rest of the footage that you guys have seen. Right now, we just climbed a mud wall, which was freaking insane. My hands are all dirty. I'm all crazy, but this is like super fun, and I'm super excited that we actually got to be able to do this. Right now we are walking to where the water slide is and where you climb, I think it's like what's it called, you like throw yourself from a rope or something like that. I don't know, I just know that it's something like that, but this is like a whole ass workout. My whole family is like all the way in the back. Come on, you guys! Hi guys, so to give you guys an update, we literally just finished doing all of the excursions in El Yunque, and we're currently going down so that we can already head to the parking lot so that we can go home. Right after this, we're actually going to be going to La Playa in El Loquillo, that's what it's called. But I'm very excited about this. It was so much fun. You guys are obviously about to see all of the footage that I got. And I'm currently going through Marta. So we have to be very careful where we stop, especially because we are in a cliff. But that is the update.
Right. Whenever you're ready. Esto es. Muy bien.
It's right here.
You like pina colada? You want to know something? My boss when I worked at